I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sorbet Vitamix. Start with frozen fruit, add a splash of liquid like lemon juice or water, and a bit of sweetener if needed. Use the tamper and pulse on high to break up the ice, then blend continuously until silky. Taste and adjust sweetness, then serve soft or freeze briefly for a firmer scoop. Measure and prep ingredients before you blend to ensure smooth results. Cut large fruit pieces and freeze them flat so the Vitamix can process evenly without overworking. Add a small amount of liquid like lemon juice or a tablespoon of syrup to help the blades move. Keep everything cold and work quickly to avoid thawing for the best texture and flavor. Start by pulsing to break up the frozen pieces, then blend on high until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Use the tamper to keep fruit moving toward the blades, never force the motor to stall. If the Vitamix hesitates, add a tablespoon of liquid or split the batch to finish smoothly. Finish with a squeeze of citrus or a pinch of salt to brighten the sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.